What up, what up, what up? YouTube, what's going down, what's going down? It's your brother, neighborhood trucker, KB SMOOTHTRUCKER78, coming to you here in my truck. Oh man, about to get the day started, morning started. First and foremost, y'all know how y'all do. Glory to God. Shout out to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. For waking us, me, you, all of us up today, Lord, to see this day. Whether we have a good, bad, ugly day, we are blessed to see this day. If we're breathing, we're achieving. Bow now, bow later, but all will bow to the Son of God. Get right, get right, get right. That's all I'm going to say about that. What it do, YouTube, man? What's going down? What's going down, man? Oh, man. Woo. Oh, man. Get myself together this morning. Just coming to y'all, quick check-in, man. How's everybody doing out there, man? Oh, man, I had a wonderful day yesterday. I didn't do a video on it, but I ran into another fellow up-and-coming trucker, rookie out here, but one of my friends and one of my brothers, man, Apollo 212, y'all. Darwin Davis, a.k.a. Apollo 212, man. Yeah, man, he pulled up on me, man. I was up at the rest area on 76, and I was getting ready to leave, get my truck together, and then I heard somebody calling out, KB Smooth. I was like, who know me? And it was my boy, my brother, man. Anyway, Darren, when you watch this video, man, Apollo, appreciate you, bro, man. That was good chopping it up, man. I wish I could have stayed longer, bro. Man, we chopped it up for about good 4 hours, no lie, y'all. I didn't do no video on it because it ain't no need to video everything, y'all. I'm going to put that out there, too. You know, I know we doing YouTube and we like to put out content and stuff we going on, but sometimes there's no need to just hit record and record everything. That was a special time with me and Apollo, man. We chopped it up about some good things. And I learned some things from my brother, man. I learned a lot about the company he's with, Snyder. They're real strict about a lot of things I didn't know about. And yeah, it's some of that is crazy, but it is what it is, man. Snyder one of the big guys out here. They want to do it their way. So, but yeah, man. But it was good fun, man. It was good fun, man. So Apollo, you watch your video, man. Appreciate you, bro. Man, it was good stuff, man. Stay safe out there. Stay blessed. Keep that faith up. And, yeah, man, get that experience up, man. So, anyway, get my shoes on. Like I said, get ready to get myself together. Oh, man. Look like it's going to rain today, man. I'm sitting down here, parked at Harrisonburg Travel Center in Virginia, back in my home state. Waiting on them to give me my pickup number and my loaded trailer number for my load, because I got to go all the way to Kentucky today. Yeah, I got about a 600-mile day, y'all. So with a governed truck, that's my whole clock. That's my whole day, pretty much. I know some of y'all say 600 ain't nothing. Well, when you got a governed truck and you go through the hills of 64 West all the way through Kentucky, I mean, backside of Virginia, West Virginia, and Kentucky, it's a lot. It's a lot. So excuse me, y'all. I gotta take care. So yeah. Anyway, I'm about to get my cooker out. I remember I did a video while I was doing my stew. So I'm gonna do another stew real quick. I'll give y'all a little video on that, you know what I'm saying? Truckers eating better, living longer, living your best life. So kind of put y'all. I don't know where to put y'all just yet, so I'm gonna sit y'all right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing marinating and simmering down the road. Put that sucker on low. Go up here and get all the goodies that's going in here. First of all, I got this vegetable medley. As y'all can see that. It got broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, all that good stuff. Got that going in there. Then I got this roast beef, and au jus. It's just a little easier, a little better to keep on the truck, to get the meat portion of it, the protein portion of it. Hormel makes it, y'all can see it. Beef au jus. It's got 20 grams of fat. Carbohydrates only 12, 82 grams of protein, only 2 grams of added sugar, dietary fiber, it's got 9 grams, so pretty good for Hormel. So yeah, I'm gonna throw a little brown rice in there, and I got this little beef onion mix. Yeah, it has a little bit of sodium in it, but it's not as bad, y'all. Just give it a little flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together for y'all, and it's gonna be good, y'all. So hope everybody having a wonderful, blessed day, being safe out there, drivers. And I'm going out here getting these loads done. Freight mover, professional freight mover, that's what I call ourselves. Moving freight from point A to point B safely and efficiently all day, every day. Yeah, trying to make this video too long, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know if y'all seen it, the organic beef broth, fat-free beef broth. Yeah. Ooh, smelling good already. Ain't even started cooking yet. And what you do with this is, like I said, you prep this in the morning. And then, like I said, I got a pretty much a 9-hour, 10-hour day, driving-wise. This thing will be cooking most of the day on low simmer. So by the time I get to my destination in Kentucky, she's going to be good to go. It's just when you stop and stuff, you periodically, stir her up, get her stirred up. There it is, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, got the peas, carrots in there, broccoli, cauliflower, got the meat at the bottom. Oh yeah, she's gonna be good to go. All right. Alright, lid on it. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Put that in there. There it is, y'all. Yeah, I keep her right behind my seat, so I make sure she don't tip over or nothing like that. And there it is, y'all. So, like I said, quick stew, healthy, good vegetables and all that good stuff for you. And that's a 2 or 3 day meal right there for me, y'all. I'll eat that. That'll be my 3-day meal right there. So, just wanted to come show y'all. I know people been asking. So, like I said in the last video, what I actually put it in the stew. And it's quick. It's something easy you can buy up at Walmart or whatever grocery store you freak with. And yeah, you can get it done. So, all right, y'all. Like I said, this is a quick check-in. Show y'all how I make my stew. Like I said, I gotta get ready to go pre-trip. Always stretch in the morning. I tell you, stretching is something else, man. When you stretch in the morning, get your body, your muscles, blood flowing, circulation. It makes you feel so much better. I'm telling you, stretch. Oh man. I ain't gonna do all of it because, like I said, this video already long. I'm trying to keep my videos shorter. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. But I'm gonna move because I had to park pretty much in the middle right here. So yeah, I don't want nobody. And thankfully, nobody came and sideswiped me and tagged my truck this morning. Last night. But this place is full. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and move her back there And yeah, so all right, y'all. Like I said, this your brother, neighborhood trucker, KB the Smooth 178. Y'all stay safe out there, stay fresh, stay fresh, sucker free. Don't let no drama, no foolishness deter you from your goals out here. Y'all stay focused, stay positive, eliminate the negativity, eliminate the chaos, and just achieve your goals out here. Whatever you got goals in trucking, believe it, you can achieve it. All right, y'all. I'll be back with more videos. Remember, my family out here, your family out here. Y'all be easy, be blessed. Thank y'all for tuning in, all my subscribers, everybody that's not subscribed, everybody that watch my videos. Thank y'all. Oh, one last thing. If you ain't supporting the Truckers with Homeless, go to the Trucker Feeding the Homeless page. We actually have a page on YouTube, started by Choice Mass. Go check us out. Podcast coming, good stuff, positive views, all that. Trucker Feeding the Homeless. We got a big thing coming up in Dallas. GATS, Great American Truck Show. Be there, be square, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out of here. More videos to come. Y'all be easy. Peace.